Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable auto brightness or adaptive brightness on iPhone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. Now from here scroll down, then go to accessibility and then go to display and text size. After that scroll down again, and here at the bottom you can see auto brightness option. Now you may ask, how does it work? Adaptive brightness is a feature that adjusts your display brightness level based on the nearby lighting and your preferences. It uses the ambient light sensor to make these adjustments for you automatically. Now just tap here to enable auto brightness, and you can see it's enable. If you want to disable it, just tap here and it's turned off. And that is how you can turn on or turn off adaptive brightness or auto brightness on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.